Linear inequations. In the previous module, I covered concepts of linear inequations. In this module, let us solve a couple of problems. Let us take the first problem. X belongs to n. Find the solution set of 5x plus 3 less than or equal to 2x plus 18. So taking 2x to the left side, so 5x minus 2x less than or equal to 18 minus 3. So this is 3x less than or equal to 15. So x less than or equal to 15 divided by 3. So x is less than or equal to 5. This is a solution for this linear inequation 5x plus 3 less than or equal to 2x plus 18. So the solution set is x such that x less than or equal to 5, x belongs to natural number. So this we are representing in the form of set builder. So if you have to represent in roster form, it is x. What are the values of x? Less than or equal to 5, including 5. So and its natural number. So natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is the solution set for the above problem. Let us go to problem number 2. Solve x by 2 minus 5 less than or equal to x by 3 minus 4, where x is a odd whole number. Odd whole number. It is a whole number and we need to list out only the odd numbers. Let us take the problem. X divided by 2 minus 5 less than or equal to x divided by 3 minus 4. Let us bring x by 3 to the left side. X by 2 minus x by 3 less than or equal to minus 4. Bring minus 5 to the right side, it becomes plus 5. So taking LCM on the left side, so it is 6. 3x minus 2x less than or equal to 1. X divided by 6 less than or equal to 1. Therefore, x is less than or equal to 6. So this is the solution for the linear inequation given here. X by 2 minus 5 less than or equal to x by 3 minus 4. Now let us write the solution set. How does it look like? Solution set x such that x less than or equal to 6. X belongs to whole number and odd. It is not only whole number, also it is a odd number. So if you write it in roster form, what are the numbers? Odd numbers. Whole number starts from 0 and it is less than or equal to 6. So the odd numbers are 1, 3, and so this is the solution set. Let us solve now problem number 3. What does it say? X belongs to a real number. Solve and graph the solution set of x plus 5 greater than or equal to 4 into x minus 1 and 3 minus 2x less than minus 7. So there are two linear inequations here. You have to find the solution set for each of them and then AND them. AND means taking the intersection of two solution sets. Let us take the linear inequation on the left side. So x plus 5 greater than or equal to 4 into x minus 1. So x plus 5 greater than or equal to 4x minus 4. So bringing 4 to the left side and taking x to the right side. So 4 plus 5 greater than or equal to 4x minus x. So 9 greater than or equal to 3x. Dividing both sides by 3, so it is 9 divided by 3 greater than or equal to x, or 3 greater than or equal to x, or this can be also written as x less than or equal to 3. So what is the solution set for this? Solution set we can write as, say, S1. S1 solution set is x such that x less than or equal to 3 and x belongs to R, real number. Let us take the second inequation, that is 3 minus 2x less than minus 7. Let us take 3 to the right side. So minus 2x less than minus 7 minus 3. So minus 2x less than minus 10. Now dividing both sides by minus 2. Minus 2x dividing by minus 2. Now and here minus 10 dividing by minus 2. The less than sign becomes greater than because we are dividing by a negative number. So minus 2 cancels. This is 5 times. So x is greater than 5. This is the solution for the linear inequation 3 minus 2x less than minus 7. So how will you write this solution set? Let us write this solution set as S2. S2 equal to, now x such that x greater than 5, x belongs to R. R is real number. Now let us draw the graph of these two. So first one. So this is for S1. For S1, so this is 0. So less than or equal to 3. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 4. This is minus 1, minus 2. So it is x is less than or equal to 3. So it is equal to 3 also. So a thick circle, and it is less than 3 and it is a real number. So it will cover all the numbers. It will cover all the numbers less than 3 till minus infinity. So this is a thick line, and this is the solution for the linear equation on the left side. Now let us consider S2. S2. What does S2 say? S2 says x is greater than 5. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here minus 1. So x is greater than 5. So 5 is not included. So let us have a hollow circle. So everything to the right side of this is part of the solution. So need to mark this one as. So this is a solution. This is the graph for solution set S1. This is the graph for solution set S2. Now we have to take S1 intersection S2. This is our final solution. That is the AND of solution 1 and solution 2. So AND means we need to take what is common between both the sets. So in these two sets, what is common? Here it says less than or equal to 3. Here it says greater than 5. So there is nothing common in between these two sets. So S1 intersection S2, which is our final answer, is a null set. There is nothing which satisfies this condition that it has to be part of S1, it has to be part of S2 also. Now let us solve the next problem. Problem number 4. When x belongs to R real number, solve and graph the solution set of 3x minus 2 greater than 19 or 3x minus 2x greater than or equal to minus 7. Here too we have two linear inequations. We need to independently find the solution for these linear inequations, and we have to OR the solution sets of both the linear inequations. Let us see how to do that. Let us take the first inequation 3x minus 2 greater than 19. So 3x greater than 19 plus 2, 3x greater than 21. Therefore x greater than 21 divided by 3, so x greater than 7. Let us solve the other inequation too. 3 minus 2x greater than or equal to minus 7. Let me take 3 to the other side, so minus 2x greater than or equal to minus 7 minus 3. So minus 2x greater than or equal to minus 10. Now dividing both sides by minus 2. Minus 2x divided by minus 2 minus 10 divided by minus 2. We are dividing by a negative number, so the inequation sign gets reversed. So minus 2 cancels here. So this is 5 times. So x is less than or equal to 5. So these are the two solution set. Let me call this one as S1 and this as S2 solution set. We have to find out S1 or S2, that is S1 union S2. Let us first draw the graph on number line. So this is for S1. So x is greater than 7. So let us take this as 0, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So x is greater than 7. So 7 is not included. So 7 is not the part of the solution. So we need to have here a hollow circle. So 7 is not part of the solution. Anything above 7, like 7.0001, that is also part of the solution. Beyond that, everything is part of the solution. So we need to make this entire thing as a thick line up to infinity. This is nothing but S1. Now on this itself, let us draw S2 too. So what does it say? X for x is less than or equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 also. So let us make this as a thick circle. So 5 is included as part of the solution. And everything to the left of this is the solution. So make this entire thing as thick line. So the solution set for this problem is all the numbers including 5 which are including 5 less than that, and all the numbers above 7 but excluding 7. Only the numbers between 5 and 7 are not part of the solution set. Next problem. Solve the inequation minus 2.5 plus 2x less than or equal to 4x by 5 less than or equal to 4 by 3 plus 2x. X belongs to w, that is whole number. We know how to solve this kind of problems. What we need to take is, we need to first take the first two expressions with the first inequation sign, solve this inequation, and then we have to take the last two expressions and solve this linear inequation and then combine the answers. Let us see. The first, the left side, minus 2.5 plus 2x less than or equal to 4x by 5. Let us bring 4x by 5 to the left side. So it is 2x minus 4x by 5 less than or equal to minus 2.5. I am taking to the right side, so it becomes plus 2.5. Now taking the LCM here, so LCM is 5, so it is 10x minus 4x divided by 5 less than or equal to 5 by 2. So 6x divided by 5 less than or equal to 5 by 2. Therefore x less than or equal to, we are multiplying 5 with the 5, this 5 I am taking here, and then this 6 I am bringing it here, so it is 2 into 6. So this becomes x less than or equal to 25 divided by 12, so that is x less than or equal to 2 1 by 12. So this is the solution for the first linear inequation. We have split the problem into two linear inequations. Let us take the second linear inequation. 4x divided by 5 less than or equal to 4 by 3 plus 2x. I will take 4x by 5 to the right side and bring 4 by 3 to the left side. So it becomes minus 4 by 3 less than or equal to 2x minus 4x divided by 5. So minus 4 by 3 less than or equal to, if you take the LCM, it is 5. So 5, here it is 10x minus 4x. So minus 4 by 3 less than or equal to 6x divided by 5. X I will keep here, and then 5 I will take to the left side. Same thing, the 6 also down here. So it is minus 4 into 5 divided by 3 into 6 less than or equal to x. So this is 2 times, so this is 3 times. So minus 10 divided by 9 less than or equal to x. So we can take it as minus 1 by 10 less than or equal to x. This is a solution for the inequation on the right side, that is 4x by 5 less than or equal to 4 by 3 plus 2x. Now to get the solution for the entire linear inequation, we need to combine the two answers. So now how to combine? What is the solution set for this problem? Solution set is x such that, now x is here, this is greater than or equal to minus 1 1 by 10 or less than or equal to 2 1 1 by 12, and x belongs to w, that is whole number. So x belongs to w means the solution here will be discrete. Let us see how it looks on the number line. This is 0 1 1 2 3 4. This is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3. So now x is greater than or equal to 1 minus 1 1 by 10. First let me represent minus 1 1 by 10. So this will be to the left of minus 1. So this is minus 1 1 by 10. And x is less than or equal to 2 1 by 12. So 2 1 by 12 is just to the right of 2. So this is 2 1 by 12. So now this is greater than or equal to minus 1 1 by 10. So this is the point minus 1 1 by 10. So it is greater than that. So minus 1 is included. So let me make a thick circle. Then 0 also, that is also included. 1 is also included. Then it is less than 2 1 by 12. So this is 2 1 by 12. So 2 is also included. So this is the solution set for the above problem. Or if you want to represent the solution set in a roster form, so that is minus 1 0 1 and 2. This is the solution set for the above problem. Sorry, I took x as an integer, but x is a whole number. If x is a whole number, 0 1 will not be part of the solution, and here also you need to exclude 0 1. Next problem. Solve and represent on number line minus 3 into x minus 7 greater than or equal to 15 minus 7x greater than or equal to x plus 1 divided by 3. X belongs to real number. This problem is from 2016 question paper. We know how to solve this problem. We need to split into two simple linear inequations. This is one and this is the other linear equation. Let us take the left portion. So minus 3 into x minus 7 greater than or equal to 15 minus 7x. So let us multiply x minus 7 by minus 3. So it is minus 3x plus 21 greater than or equal to 15 minus 7x. Let us bring all x to the left side. So minus 7x becomes plus 7x. So 7x minus 3x greater than or equal to 15 minus 21. So 4x greater than or equal to minus 6, x greater than or equal to minus 6 divided by 4, 2 times, this is 3 times, x is greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2, x greater than equal to minus 1 by 2. Now the other linear inequation. So it is 15 minus 7x greater than or equal to x plus 1 divided by 3. Let us multiply both sides by 3. So by multiplying both sides by 3, 15 minus 7x into 3 greater than or equal to x plus 1 divided by 3 into 3. 3 cancels. So now this becomes 45 minus 21x greater than or equal to x plus 1. So we will bring 1 to the right side, left side. So 45 minus 1, take x to the right side. So it is x plus 21x. So 44 greater than or equal to 22x. Now dividing both sides by 22. So it is 44 divided by 22 greater than or equal to x, or this is 2 times, so 2 greater than or equal to x, or we can also write this as x less than or equal to 2. These are the two solutions. Now let us combine this. So on combining, we get the solution set for the entire linear inequation. So the solution set here is x such that x is greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2. So this is x is greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2, and x is less than or equal to 2. So this is x is less than or equal to 2, and x belongs to R, that is real number. So this is the entire solution set. Let us see how to represent this one on number line. Let us draw the number line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So x is less than, greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2. Let us represent minus 1 by 2. Now this is to the left side of minus 1, so this is minus 1 by 2, and x is less than or equal to 2, so this is 2. So this is on the number line and need not separately represent this. Now x is greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2. So this is the point. X is greater than or equal to also. So this is also part of the solution. In the earlier case, we did not mark the fraction because that was the whole number. But here it is a real number. So every number is a part of the solution here. So it is minus 1 by 2 is also part of the solution. And here on the right side, it is less than or equal to 2. So this is also a solution. So all numbers in between these two are a part of the solution and satisfy the above linear inequation. So this is the solution on number line. Next problem. Find the range of A intersection B and represent on number line. Here you have the linear inequation A and B. We have to find the solution for the linear inequation A and linear inequation B and then do the intersection. What does it mean? Only the items in both the sets which are common in between those two that form the part of the solution A intersection B. Now first let us solve linear inequation A. It says 11x minus 5 greater than 7x plus 3. So I'll bring x to the other 7x to the left side. So 11x minus 7x is greater than 5 plus 3. So 4x greater than 8, dividing both sides by 4, x greater than 8 divided by 4, so x greater than 2. So this is the solution for linear inequation A. Let us find the solution for linear inequation B. So linear inequation B is 18x minus 9 greater than or equal to 15 plus 12x. I'll bring 12x to the left side. So it is 18x minus 12x greater than or equal to 15 plus 9. So 6x greater than or equal to 24, dividing both sides by 6, x greater than or equal to 24 divided by 6, so x greater than or equal to 4. So this is for inequation A, this is for inequation B. Let us represent both the solutions on the graph, number line. So let us first draw for A. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is for A. Let us draw for B. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here x belongs to R, that is real number. So the first one, x greater than 2. So 2 is not part of the solution. So 2 has to be a hollow circle. So this is a hollow circle. But x is greater than 2 means every real number which is greater than 2 up to plus infinity is part of solution. So all numbers to the right of 2 is not included. Now let us represent the other one, x greater than or equal to 4. So it says equal to also. So we have to mark a thick line. So this is included, and also all the numbers to the right of this. So this is how we represent the solution for the linear inequation B on the number line. But what do we need? We need A intersection B. So A intersection B, what does it mean? It means all the elements of which are common between set A and set B. All the elements which are common. Now you take from here 2 to 4. 2 to 4 is not part of B. It is only part of A. But 4 and greater than that till infinity are part of both the solutions. So A intersection B is the common between these two solution sets, that is x greater than or equal to 4. Or you can represent this one such that A intersection B, that set is x such that x greater than or equal to 4, x belongs to real number. Let me summarize this chapter. First, what is an inequation? When two expressions, say ax plus b and cx plus d, these are the two expressions, are compared using greater than sign or less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, then this becomes a linear inequation if you compare using one of these signs. And what is a linear inequation? Linear inequation means the variable in the inequation has got degree 1. If it is ax square, it is not a linear inequation. Then how to solve? Now solving linear inequation. How to solve linear inequation? It is almost similar to linear equations. So where is the difference? In the linear inequation, suppose it is say 4x plus 5 greater than equal to 8. If you divide both sides by a negative number or multiply both sides a negative number, then the inequation sign gets reversed. This is the main difference between solving a linear equation and linear inequation. Then the other terms that what we have used are solution set. What is a solution set? Suppose if you have got a linear inequation, all the values of x for which this linear inequation holds good, that is a solution set. That is all values of x for which this linear inequation holds good. So all values of x for which linear inequation holds good. Now what is the replacement set? Now we know solution set is all values of x for which linear equation holds good. Suppose this is, let us say, x is greater than or equal to 5. Now the actual solution set will vary depending upon whether x belongs to natural number or whole number or integer or real number. Depending upon to which number set x belongs to, the actual solution set is going to vary. So now the number set to which this variable belongs to, that is the replacement set. The number set to which variable, what is the variable here? Variable x belongs to, that is known as the replacement set. Let us take some simple example and try to understand. So let us take a replacement set, let us take a solution set x is greater than or equal to minus 2.5 and less than or less than 5. For some linear inequation, this is the solution set. So now I said the actual solutions, actual values of x will vary depending upon the replacement set. So the replacement set can be n, w, I or r. Suppose let us take replacement set is n. If replacement set is n, then the solution set here is n is natural numbers. So x is greater than or equal to minus 2.5. So, but natural number starts from 1. So it is from 1 and less than 5. So what are the numbers starting from 1 and less than 5 are 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the actual solution set when x, the variable, belongs to natural number. So let the replacement set be W, then the solution set. This is simple. So you need to add an additional number 0 here because x is greater than or equal to minus 2, 1 by 2. So but whole number starts from 0, so you have to take only 0 and then the numbers which are less than 5. So now suppose replacement set belongs to integer, then the solution set is, it says x greater than or equal to minus 2.5. So minus 2.5 is not the part of the solution because any integer, any fraction is not part of the solution. So what is the next integer? It is minus 2. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a solution set when replacement set is an integer. So now replacement set is a real number. So at that time it is the same. You have to repeat whatever we have written here, we have to repeat. So because we cannot write all the numbers here, we cannot have a roster, we cannot write in roster form here. We have to write in set builder form only because all values of x between minus 2.5 and 5 are part of the solution. So it is minus 2, 2.5 less than 5. So all numbers inclusive of minus 2.5 up to 5 but not 5, they are part of the solution. So now let us see how to represent this on number line. Now first let us take replacement set as natural number. So when r is equal to n, let us draw number line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when replacement sets are natural numbers or whole numbers or integers, then the values, the solution set values are discrete numbers. So it is easy to represent. Now let us see when it is natural number. So what numbers does it contain? So x is greater than minus 2.5. So it is greater than minus 2.5, but x is natural number, so starts from 1. So we need to ignore the lower values. Starts number 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. So that is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These are part of the solution. So it is less than 5, so 5 is not included. This is when replacement set is natural number. Suppose replacement set is whole numbers, not whole number. So at that time this is much simpler to draw because once you have drawn for natural number, it is just extension of that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to start with 0. X is greater than minus 2.5, but whole number starts from 0. We need to ignore the lower values. Then all the numbers which are less than 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the solution set representation on the graph. So when x belong to integer, replacement set is an integer, how to draw the graph? This is the number line. This is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. It's from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's draw 6. X is greater than or equal to minus 2.5. It is equal to minus 2.5 also. But we can, let us first represent 2.5 here. This one. This is 2.5, minus 2.5, minus 2.5. But 2.5 is not part of the solution because x is an integer. So integer 2.5 is not an integer. So we have to start from minus 2. So minus 2.5 is not an integer. We need to exclude that. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the numbers which are part of the solution set when replacement set is an integer. Now let us take replacement set as real number. Let us draw the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the left of 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now x is greater than or equal to minus 2.5. Let us represent minus 2.5 here. This is minus 2.5, minus 2.5. So x is greater than or equal to. So x is equal to also. So since it is a real number, so 2.5 minus 2.5 is also part of the solution. So you need to have a thick circle here. In fact, when replacement set is a real number and you have the inequality sign as less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, at that time you need to have a thick circle. Now let us see the other extreme value where it says x is less than 5. So when replacement set is a real number and inequality sign is greater than or less than, at that time you need to have a hollow circle at that point. It indicates that this particular number is not included, but all numbers up to that are included. So now the extreme values are marked. So all the values between these two numbers are part of the solution set. So you need to make it, you need to highlight this portion. So this is the representation on number line when replacement set is R.